Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. It's Thanksgiving week, and we're here in Oklahoma. Got a lot to be thankful for, so just wanted to shoot a quick video. We have a sister shop called JG Repairs and Towing. That shop does a lot of towing, roadside assistance, flat tires, different things like that. And so I was helping them out with a call just a few minutes ago. On the side of the interstate on I-40. We was able to get the customer going, get them on the road, and about 3 miles from them was a different customer or a different driver that was on the side of the road. They had their flashers on, vehicles running, all that stuff. So I pulled over to check on them, do a courtesy check. So here it is. It's 8:30 at night. It's dark. It's cold. And what I found was the person was literally inside their car asleep right on the side of the interstate. So a little word of caution. I'm going to encourage you that first of all, don't sleep on the side of the road, especially the interstate. It's a very dangerous place. There's other drivers that are drowsy, distracted, perhaps under the influence of something, and they swerve right at that white line, and something bad or catastrophic could happen. What was more alarming was this person could have went just a few hundred more yards and safely been completely off the interstate to a safe spot. So don't drive sleepy. However, if you can at all, please get off the interstate. I'm shooting this video because I care. There's so many accidents that happen out there on the roadway. So drive safe, be thankful, happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next video.